One more.
Yeah, here.
One more, Lenny. Lenny, one more, and then one with me. That's fine. And this one. And then I think I need one with me as well. Beautiful.
You are so beautiful.
Yes.
I want to visit your country.
Yeah. I'm also Dominican Republic. Yes, I'm from Dominican Republic. You should visit. It's also the same beautiful as Philippines.
I hope because Grand Dominican will invite us.
Sure. I think so.
Oh,
They are great directors. You saw that one of the best. Yes. That is. Muchas gracias. De nada.
Ma, sagutin mo na ako. Total, nagpa-picture ka na eh. So kung magte-train ka, anong mga dapat na... So anong mga dapat
actually,
mga
hindi ko
tips?
pa alam. Wala pa talaga kaming na fix na schedule nila papanawat. So, I'm waiting for them. Pero, let's see. Yung advice naman na kaya kong mabigay kay Vina is kung ano lang din naman yung natutunan ko sa Philippines. Kasi at the end of the day, siya lang din naman yung magko-compete. Siya yung nandun sa stage. Siya yung merong energy na kayang mabigay yun. So, ito lang naman.
Did you have the time to speak with her even before pa? Or...
Yes! Kasi during our Miss Grand, nagkakausap kami backstage. So, Vina is really kind and sweet.
Pero in terms of, kasi sabi kahapon, kailangan daw ng energy mo to also share, tips to have. Anong mga tips for energy, mga ganun?
Ang tip siguro for energy, it's more on the mindset of the person. So, kailangan lang siguro ng proper mindset and positive aura, more on that. So, maybe before training her dun sa walk itself and giving the energy, kailangan siguro kausapin ko muna siya, parang pep talk, heart to heart talk muna kung ano talaga. Kasi kaya ka nagkakaroon ng energy, it means you have that, alam mo kung gaano kalalim yung why mo, the purpose on why you're here. So gusto ko siya makausap ng ganun muna.
Have you trained anyone before?
Before, even naman sa Philippines, may mga candidates na tinutulungan ako, tinitrain ako.
So, anong reaction mo? Because people are saying na, paano yan, Philippines training Thailand?
Kinakausap ko din naman si Atisa, diba? Tapos, for this one naman, grateful naman ako na nakita ni Papa na meron akong, hindi ko alam, parang merong aura to train someone. Pero at the end of the day, I'm telling you guys, it's still with the girl kung anong energy yung kaya niya mabigay ng gabi na yon. And alam ko namang si Atisa, iba yung energy yung kaya niya mabigay.
Mga gano'ng katagal ang session?
Wala!
Sa mga magpapatrain, mga gustong
Wow!
magpapatrain sa'yo.
Hindi talaga ako trainer. So, paki-contact ko yung trainer ko, si Mommy G. Actually, nung nakita yun ni Mommy G, may message na ako agad. Sabi ko, Mommy, hindi nga talaga ako nagtitrain. Pero I'm happy na nakitaan ako ng ganon. So, siguro yung kaya ko mabigay is yung energy lang na meron din talaga.
Mga normally, gano'ng katagal ang isang session?
Wala, not sure. Siguro mga 1 hour.
1 hour? Pero kailan mo nalaman na magtitrain?
Kagabi, while shooting our short film with Belle. So, nakita ko lang yung video. Sabi ko, hala, meron pala. Pero binigyan naman ako ng para pakapyaw ng team. So,
Is it, kailangan ba dancer ka to have a lively pasarela?
no, not really. Hindi naman.
May rhythm lang.
Oo, may rhythm. You just need to listen to the music and all. So, gano'n lang talaga. It's all about connection.
Thank you, Emma.